Hello, we are Discovery Channel Ancient Civilizations, and we will talk to you about the Columbian Exchange.
Daniel Tijerina.
Daniela García.
Carlos González.
We were reading a letter that Christopher Columbus wrote to a Spanish official. It described what he thought to be a city in Asia, but what actually was a city in the Americas. And we were wondering what the effects of discovering a new continent were, and we eventually got to the Columbian Exchange.
Do you know what the Columbian Exchange is? What are its effects and its causes? If you don't know, we'll tell you. The Columbian Exchange is an extensive trade network between the continents.
The cause of the Columbian Exchange were the colonization of conquered territories as trade between them. America exported beans, pineapples, corn, peanuts, pumpkins, squash, tobacco, and tomatoes.
Europe exported banana, chicken, horses, onions, rice, and wheat. The Columbian Exchange had many effects. Some were positive, some were negative. So, of these effects are the increased population, change of tasks, and a new market.
One of the negative effects was the natives who weren't immune to the European diseases got sick, and many of them died.
Here we show you a graph of the deaths by smallpox on different native tribes. As we can see, smallpox affected many tribes. It even destroyed some of them entirely. An example of this is the Talno tribe. 39% of the Aztecs died thanks to smallpox, 50% of the Piegan, 50% of the Cherokee, 66% of the Omaha, 90% of the Mandan, and 100% of the Talno. Here we can see a graph that shows the native population in central Mexico in 3 different years. We can see how the population decreased a lot in a relatively short period of time. In 1519 there were 10 million natives, in 1568 there were 3 million, and in 1600s only 750,000 natives remained. In this graph, we can see the main causes of death of the Aztecs in 1520. As we can see, disease was the one that caused the more deaths. It was the responsible of 40% of the deaths. The starvation was 20%, war was 30%, and 10% died of natural causes.
As you know, Columbian Exchange have negative and positive things, but one thing is true. Without it, maybe America will not be discovered. Thank you.